Hey guys, welcome to Tech Particle. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Phenyx Pro PTU-4000 wireless mic system. So let's get into it. Thanks to Phenyx for sending me this to review. I really appreciate it. It's a very cool product from what I've seen so far and what I have tested so far. Let's take a quick look at the box. On the front you see it shows the product, of course. There's 8 mics and of course the receiver, and that has two displays on it virtually and some dials and a button to turn it off and on. Obviously here's the branding on the front. On the top there is nothing much except a handle, and there's some device specifications on the back. But anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. So like I said earlier, I have tested this to see what all I can do with this product and how to use it and such, and there's a lot of cool things in here. So first up you'll have a foam layer, and then you'll have this. This is what holds the receiver, and like I said, I've already been testing it. So here it is. Here is the receiver. So I've already attached the antennas that allow for the wireless functionality. So there's 4 of them. The antennas feel kind of cheap and they're a little wobbly, but overall the build quality and design of this is great. Metal, high quality feel. On the front we have the 8 dials. Each one is for volume for the 8 different mics, and the displays show various things like connectivity and such. The lights show the signal that's being received. Let's take a look at the back, and here you'll see there is XLR inputs, and so you can input various connections in there. There is a mix out port right here. There's a power port, and so what I've been using is the mix out, which is a 1/4 inch. So that is the receiver. Like I said, high quality, great build and design. Might be nice if these were a little more high quality, but it's nice that these are flexible and you can move them around. That is quite nice. 2 are for one frequency and 2 are for another, so the instructions say how to install. And here is our 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch cable. So this will plug into the mix out, and you can plug it into another 1/4 inch, such as on an amplifier or on a mixer, as we'll be seeing in a little bit. And it's also nice, it comes with an adapter, 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter, and it will come out of the box looking like this, and then I discovered you can take that off, which is very nice. I'm glad they included that. With that being said, let's take a look at some of the other things that came in the box. We got our instructions, and these are pretty good instructions. They're very helpful. And here is the mic. As you can see, it has a display right here. We'll turn it on for demonstration. On the front, it shows the frequency, what channel, and the signal. So overall, this is a high quality feeling device, metal. Down here is where you unscrew, and it is pretty squeaky. I don't appreciate that. Like, think, what if you're in the middle of a presentation and someone's trying to give you replacement batteries or something? So that's not great. Overall, so far the design and quality of this are great, except for that. And here is where the batteries go, and it takes 2 AA's. But overall, high quality feel and build and design, except for that squeaking part. So there are 7 more of these mics. Here's 1 layer of 3. We're not going to unpackage every mic, of course. And what I really love, that's a nice gesture, is they included battery packs for each one. These are disposable alkaline batteries, but I think it's really nice though, so that you can be using this from the get-go. It'd be nice if they were lithium for those who like rechargeable, but nonetheless, great gesture. And of course, we got our 4 other mics, so now we have 8. And they come with these color identifiers that keep the mics from rolling around, and they allow you to color code your mics so you know which one is which. Anybody who has experience with running sound systems knows these are awesome. Here it is like that. You probably can move it up and down the device, but they allow it to keep steady, and they allow you to identify which mic you're using. It also provides a nice rest. So overall great. So far we've seen that the design quality, the build quality, the feature set, and the included products are great and amazing for the most part. So although those points are important, here comes the biggest important part, and that is the functionality of the actual device. Turning it on, turning the mics on, and seeing how well they work with their equipment and how well they sound. So let's do that. But before we begin, I'll be plugging this into a mixer. You can also use this straight to the amplifier depending on the amplifier. So as you can see, it's all set up now. We have our receiver for the wireless microphones connected to our mixer by Overmic, the ARMX777, and it is plugged into channel 1. And over here we got a cheap Ragu T2 Bluetooth speaker / amplifier. You can watch the video of that. I'll put a link in the description, but we have that plugged in from a 3.5mm jack to a left and right channel, which plugs into the Arvo mic mixer. And like I said earlier, the receiver has a 1/4" connector, and I just plug that into a 1/4" connector on the mixing board. So over here is where you turn it on, and as you can see, it has a display showing all the various information. It has lights on the side that will show up some when there's input from the microphones, and of course there's the volume dials for each wireless microphone. So just as a disclaimer, there's multiple factors affecting this review: the speakers, sound quality, the board quality, the mic quality of my camera, and so just remember that. So let's turn it on. And there may be a little bit of feedback or extra noise, like I hear a little bit of white noise right now, but once I turn it on there may be more. I am pretty close to the setup. So here it is. It is pretty loud. It sounds pretty good. Obviously multiple things affect the sound quality, such as how you manipulate the sound on your board, and you can adjust the volume on the receiver and on my speaker, and of course on the board. So pretty cool. As you can see, I have turned it down, but we can turn it up slowly and you can hear. But if I turn it up too high, of course there's feedback, but overall pretty cool. Super easy to connect. All I did was turn it on after the receiver was on, and boom, it works. Like I said, there is some interference from the various electronics involved. I'm pretty close to the speaker and the receiver, so that may affect things. So overall, it's not too hard to set up. The instructions tell you how. They do a pretty good job of telling you what you need to do to get this on and running. And once you figure out how to connect this to your mixing board, it's a great experience. From then on, once you have everything connected right, you'll remember hopefully each time, and from then you just turn on your mixer, turn on your receiver, and turn on your mic, and make sure your speaker is on or whatever. Overall, I'm impressed by this product. I think it's a high quality budget receiver and mic system, and it's awesome that you get 8 mics that are high quality built and designed. So I'm overall very impressed. Good job, Phenyx Pro. So for just a quick overview, you get 8 mics, the receiver, and anti-roll color-coded add-ons you put on the mic. You get batteries, you get 1/4" to 1/4" cable, plus a 1/4" to 3.5mm adapter. Overall, they've included a lot of great things in the box. That's highly impressive. Design is great on the mics and on the receiver. Besides design, it overall has a great build quality and feel to it. Metal, and then there has the rubber add-ons, and then the cords are high quality plastic. So just overall good design and build quality, guys. Just fix the squeaking part on the mics when you're replacing batteries. I think that would be great if you fix that. Also the antennas, they're not bad, but maybe a little more high quality feeling would be nice to them. A little bit more design into those would be great. Ease of use, amazing. Once you figure out how to set it up the first time, from there it's amazing. Ease of use is great, and they're budget friendly. So overall, great product. I would recommend it. You get so much in the box, so that is great. I really appreciate that. I would recommend this product. Thank you, Phenyx Pro, for sending this to me to review. And enjoy, guys, if you do decide to get this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like. That will help this video get found by more. Please share and comment if you have questions, and I try to answer them if possible. And please subscribe if you like this content. If you want to check out this product, check out the links in the description. I may receive a commission for those, so as a disclaimer. And have a good day, guys. Goodbye.